हेलो। एक सेकंड, मेरे को साइन इन करना पड़ेगा क्या? अच्छा, एक सेकंड।
Hi everyone, my name is Sahil Singh. I'm an ICT student. I'm practicing the 2024 mentorship. So all the traits and signals that I'm giving you in this video is not for you to take blindly. If you like my analysis, you can take the trade, and I'm still learning, right? So I can still make mistakes. This is cleared out. This is not a signal channel. Thank you. Watch the stream. Hi everyone, my name is Sahil Singh. I'm an ICT student. I'm practicing the 2024 mentorship. So all the traits and signals that I'm giving you in this video is not for you to take blindly. If you like my analysis, you can take the trade, and I'm still learning, right? So I can still make mistakes. This is cleared out. This is not a signal channel. Thank you. Watch the stream. Hi everyone, my name is Sahil Singh. I'm an ICT student. I'm practicing the 2024 mentorship. So all the traits and signals that I'm giving you in this video is not for you to take blindly. If you like my analysis, you can take the trade, and I'm still learning, right? So I can still make mistakes. This is cleared out. This is not a signal channel. Thank you. Watch the stream. Hi everyone, my name is Sahil Singh. I'm an ICT student. I'm practicing the
Done. So right now we are going to analyze NZDUSD pair, right? So first of all, let me see if the sound is clear or not. Okay, so this is the NZDUSD, and we are going to analyze the last day. So basically this day, the last Friday, right? So first of all, let me just add all my periods, and you can see that how the range is contracting, right? These all are the wicks. Probably if it wants to move up, it should move up, or maybe it just wants to reach to this area, because whenever there is the contraction of the range in the daily chart, probably there is an accumulation, and it can make either go up, either go down. Probably it can reach this area. 5 9, what is this? 58949. Alright, so let me just draw all my PD arrays. Daily high, daily low, daily high, daily low, and UG. And UG. And DUG. And DUG. And DUG. And NDUG. So I have a couple of the NDUGs now. This is November 1, and I don't need any. If I have, let me just draw. I need, and the blue is right. So let's see. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. This one as the NWG. Price can use this level. this one also, and WOG, and I don't need anything else. Alright, so now next thing is that there is a daily BC here, right? So you can just incorporate that also in your chart. This is the daily BC, and just extend this thing all over to the right, and don't forget to add the text here. Plus we also have one more BC over here, right? Just add that also. Have daily BC. Okay, and there is one more CV here. Just add that also. Daily CV. Okay, and if I just go to the weekly chart, we have a small imbalance over here and a small imbalance over here. So you can use this level also in the weekly. Change the color maybe black and use this as the weekly BC. There you go. So this was the top-down analysis, right? This is actually the top-down analysis what I have done right now. And just to go to the monthly chart, then there is nothing that you can rely upon. Now just go to the 1 minute chart, and I'll just do everything that I have learned from him, ICT basically. So the day starts at 16 o'clock. That is the start of the new day, and everything that I'm using is the ICT. Or plus 3. This is the start of the day, right? And now the agent session, I usually trade at 18:30, so that is what I'm going to be looking at. And if I have any FEG here that I can use, I will use that. This one basically. Let's make it a bit more deep, and the Asian FEG. Now I have to just think like, where is the imbalances in the 1 hour chart, because I like to trade with the 1 hour and 15 minute in my long term. So I was here, right here, right? So the near the imbalances are this BC over here, this CB over here, this BC. So these are all the combination of CBs and BCs, and like this here. Plus we do also have the equal highs, right? The relative equal highs, so there is also liquidity in it. So basically, if I would be in a 1 minute chart, then I would demand it to trade back here, and if it wants to go to this area, I need a big candle with the closing, right? So first of all, my bias is to just go to this 1 minute, 1 hour BC here. So I'll just highlight that, and I'll just, this is my target, which is 1 hour BC. Okay, and in the 15-minute, we were over here, right? This one, we have the buy side here and we have the sell side here. 15-minute, let me get rid of the magnet, and wait a minute. Fifteen-minute buy side, and this is 15-minute sell side. You also have inefficiency here, and this will be here. So this buy side, the price didn't reach there, it went down, created the first FEG. I'm targeting the 1 hour BC basically. So I need to look in all the discounted arrays as like it will just send the price downwards. So I'm just looking at all the discounted PD arrays. Now you can see that the price is trading over here, and we got a news. As you can see, the algorithm is not allowing the price to move up, right? The algorithm is not allowing the price to move up, and this CB over here, I just enable the magnet. The CB over, as the price went above it, it quickly shoot down. So this was actually a good trade that you could have taken. This CB here, plus we also have, like, don't actually trade with one P derivative. The first thing is that we have a wick here, right? We have a wick. Just look how it is respecting this. The second is that we have one BC, which is now a reclaimed BC. We have one CB, which is now a reclaimed CB here. That's why it is good idea to trade here. And yeah, now just trade here, and I'm just targeting all that 1 hour BC, but just take partial in the lows, which is over here in the swing lows here. It entered the BC. Now probably the main target would be the equilibrium or the consequent encroachment or the quadrants of the high to the consequent encroachment, right? We have reached the consequent encroachment. Now you have to see whether it wants to move down or use it as a support to move up. Now it is going down. Probably it wants to cover the whole BC, right? It covered that. Now it is just taking resistance of this BC. Now what is the next target? Next target is that second BC which we were having, which is basically this area. Just target this also. Let me just go to the 1 minute chart and just target that also. This area is using it as a resistance. It went down, went to the consequent encroachment, gave a little spike up, went down, touched the lower area, right? Now just see whether it wants to move up or continue and move to the sell side. I would like to use the 1 hour chart to see if we have a full BC closure or a half BC closure. As you can see that we had a half BC closure, right? It went down. Now it's probably going to move up and attack this highs here, right? And this 15-minute buying side that I have written over here. Now that's a good area to just take a long trade, take a buy trade using any premium PD arrays and attack all the buy sides, right? Right, over here. Notice it didn't reach the sell side here, so I could be waiting for it to reach the sell side, but since it is giving a support of this BC, and since we also have this, so what is this BC here, this 1 minute BC plus this 1 hour BC, and that is why I'm just like looking into buying this. Plus we are also in the macro time right now. I'm just buying this also, and it went up, and I'm just targeting all that 15-minute buy side. Plus I'm using all this to support my trade. Went to the consequent encroachment, buy, went up, it reached here. And what is this? That is why I always recommend you to just write down all the text here, because it will just confuse you a lot, right? But it could be something that I didn't wrote, and I'm learning how not to just make my chart more messy. But unfortunately, I guess I'm just a beginner on it, right? Now I was targeting the buying side, but since we can see that in this SEG, the order flow, right? If I would be here, probably I would be using this wick. If it went down, I would probably be ending my trade and using anything to go short, right? I can go short here, and I will just target all the premium arrays, right? This area, consequent encroachment. Now this is what it is like. It went down, it gave a fake buy and went down. So ICT tells that it is the second triad that gets the cheese, right? Here it went to the consequent encroachment, and that's a good buy again. Just target the highs, right? It went down, again, right? Now what does this indicate? This indicates that price doesn't want to move up. Probably I'm going to now, like my Asian session, my Asian trade. This was my Asian trade basically, and I guess it wants to move up, but in the London session, right, which is at the the midnight. If I just go down, see how it is just spending time here. Well, it started accumulating at 20, went down, went up, went down. These all swings are targetable, right? You can just target all these things. Look how it is respecting this consequent encroachment wick, right? Down, move up, respecting this consequent encroachment wick, move up. The resistance of this 1 hour BC, move down, support at this 1 hour CB, move up, just targeting this. But I don't like these movements, right? I want to target a big movement, and my Asian trade was basically this one and this one, right? Because see here, it is all the balanced area. I didn't saw this. See here, it is just all the balance area, that price point resistance point, and move down. And finally it used this, move up, consolidated, use this, move up. Now I'm looking at the London data, right? And where was the first Asian FE? This. Okay, so it was the FE here. I thought, what was that? So yeah, I would have surely taken a sell trade right over here, because I like the first FEGs. This was a sell trade that I could have taken in the London session basically. So let me just go to the London data, right? London session starts here. Basically my trading starts here, and I'm just looking at the first FEG here. If I could get one, I'll just draw that. First FEG London, not London, London. And is my audio audible? Okay, it is audible. it taken. Now this FEG, this first FEG, I would have directly taken a trade here to attack this buy side. Look how close it is right over here. So it is reasonable to attack the buy side, and my stop loss would be just below this wick, because this is how can I say that, a premium array, and it should send the price up, right? And it is sending the price up. So just this is my stop area, and it went up, bang. Now you can see that I like this area. This is what is called as a breakaway candle, right? I like this breakaway candle, taking support of this. And what was this pink area? Pink area was that weekly BCI, right? It is moving, attack that high and done. This was itself a short trade here. Now it is not moving up, or not moving up. Tried one more time, fell short of it. Probably after attacking this buy side, where is the next FEGs that I can do, right? So probably I'm looking here. I'm here, right? Now let me just go to the 1 hour chart and let's see where are the inefficiencies there in the marketplace. Right, so I'm here, right? And all BCs, they are useful, but what I usually do is that I just lower the opacity of these all BCs, because it is useful. I'm not saying that it's not useful and just throw it out of the window. It is useful because it will be used as the reclaimed BC. And see this wick, I like this wick, and this CB also, this CB and this wick, this CB and this wick. This is a good area to hold, to target after this London data, right? So just 1 minute, and I'm targeting this area. And it is looking ugly, right? I don't like that Fibonacci, that's looking ugly. Yeah. So we were here, right? Now the next thing that I need to tell you is that all the FPGs that blew up the high, or the Judas FPG I call that, they are very important. So all these FPGs, they are very important. The order block, all these are very important because they are occurring at the macro time, right? Plus went up. Now just look any area to take a shot on it, right? Just find it. Whether you can use this wick, consequent wick which is over here, and attack that downside. Probably I would have used this one because of this order block. Plus we have a wick here. You can just incorporate both of them, right? Like this, right? Just sell here and just target that 1 hour BC that we were having. Plus here there is a big candle at this, say, Asian first FEG of London, right? And then target the first FEG of Asian, and now at determinants we are just targeting that 1 hour BC, which we reached over here, went down, and actually went down. This is the second BC, went down, reached the CE, and now the price is accumulating here. So we targeted that buy side all the way to here. This could be your very good London trade that you could have taken here. Right? And I'm saying it in English because I want to practice my English, right? Now just here, just wait. If it wants to use this area to accumulate anything and move up and target all these areas as a resistance, or it wants to move down and target this 15-minute sell side, because this sell side is like, it is having a lot of trail stop loss. That is why this sell side is very important, right? Now it depends on you whether you can target. You can just buy from here or just target this. I would have buy if in 1 hour chart it didn't show me a full gap closure. This one, we over here, just buy here. You can see that how the price is respecting the mid area. Probably I'm going to be buying at this area, right? So we were here, right? This area. Now, what do you think? Whether would be the sorry, my English is fucked up, right? Now, what do you think? Where should be the area that you can trade? This limit session itself is a big trade, right? And now, what my analysis says that at this area it should actually accumulate here, move up, move down, trade off this way, and this is also targetable. But the major movement will be occurring in the New York session because there is a news in it, and ICT recommends not to trade in the New York session if it is having a news. But if you are pre inside the trade, you can just trade that also because I was there, right? Let's see how it is just moving out. Now I'm just waiting for the New York data, basically 9:30 or 8:30 basically. Yeah, just 8:30. This is accumulating. See how it just left the sell side. What does it indicate? This indicates that in the PM session or in the end of the session, we could have just attacked the sell side because it is having a lot of liquidity, lot of trail stop loss here. See, buy here and bang, moved up, moved up, moved up, moved up, moved up, and right now the retailers would have fucked up because they don't know where it would reach, right? Move up, move up. See how it is respecting this level. This is the consequent encroachment of that 1 hour BC. Finally reached to the NWMG. And this could be itself a good trade for you, right? And then just now whenever the price moves like this, probably now I just will do like this, and reach the equilibrium area of this whole swing, right? Now for the main trade setup starts at the 9:30, which is this area. There is no first FE, creating the initial sell side. One more FEG. Probably now it's attacking that initial sell side. Read that over here. Or one more time, with up to the first FEG of the New York. Let me just write it down. First FEG. Of New York. With above it, move down. Reach the 15-minute buy side, taking support of it. Now it is just accumulating here 20. This is classic. After a big range, this is classic. I would never have traded in the AM session. I would have probably traded in the PM session. See how it is just moving up, down. Taking support of this area. Just wait for the 130. That's the next area that you could have target. They told you that probably whenever there's a big candle, it will just slowly try to move in the consequent encroachment of this whole swing with the right over here. Yeah, and this area, that 1 hour time zone, maybe there would be a news there, and just target that sell side. And here, just target the sell side. We're having a wick here, and it taking resistance of this wick. And sorry if you're hearing any sound, and just sell here and just target that 15-minute sell side because that is the next area where there will be a lot of the trail stop loss. We were having one more, okay, as this area. You can just target that area also. Like as it started to sold off from this area, just target the consequent investment of this area, and I have told you it's just accumulating here. Now it probably move up, take resistance of this first FEG, move down and attack that for 15 minutes sell side. And at this moment it is moving down. Probably now just use all those arrays, this array to target your shorts. Move down, and finally I need attack. See how it is not, why it is not attacking this sell side, right? Now here this is generating all this engine liquidity, and when it will go down, it will just go down and rest it, right? And yeah, that is it. And this is the whole analysis of NZDUSD chart. I hope you like the analysis, and we have used everything that we could have used using ICT's PD rate, right? And the ICT's price signature and ICT's macro. I'm just copying the image, right? Because I like to maintain my journal, and I'm just like started this channel to maintain my journal, right? So practice day 7, this is day 8. Right. In this video we analyze the NZDUSD chart and used all the weekly PD arrays, monthly PD arrays, daily PD arrays, hourly PD arrays, initial sell sign, initial buy sign, over block, wick ceiling to target web price. We also use the macro time to attack the buy and the sell side, which major. There was a news there, that's why the price action is shit, and ICT recommends not to trade in the days when there is lots of news, because the price is and the 15-minute sell side, it was not working on it. It went through it, went to 2 times, but then crossed, and we are also seeing a ring direction in the daily chart, and that's the simulation to target the fix that is in the daily chart. Thanks for the video. Right, so this was the whole analysis of NZDUSD last Friday. I hope you liked this video. So I'll meet you on another analysis video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.